Did I go anywhere?
To find my velocity while spinning around in a circle, we always take into consideration my radius and the time it took me to make one revolution. We're going to start with the equation c equals pi times diameter. So we double the radius to find the diameter and multiply it times pi. For the circumference, we get 7.54 meters, which is the distance that I traveled. And we traveled that distance in 1.13 seconds. So to find my velocity while traveling in that circle, we must divide 7.54 meters by 1.13 seconds, and my final velocity is 6.67 meters per second. Now that we have my mass, my velocity, and my radius, we can find my centripetal force by using the equation Fc equals mv squared over r. First, we square my velocity, 6.67 meters per second squared. We take that number and multiply it by my mass, which is 46.72 kilograms. Take that entire number and divide it by my radius, which is 1.2 meters, and we get a centripetal force of 1,732.75 newtons.
Now that you've woken up the demon, yeah, man. You know, come on, get down with the sickness. You know, come on, get down with the sickness. You know, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let it run to me. You know, come on, get down with the sickness.